What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on OPENCAMPUS. We're revisiting it after the bullish momentum we got yesterday. We'll be talking about that, what caused that. I also had a little trade on that, so we'll talk about that as well. But yeah, in general, I'll just try to give you as much of a thorough overview of what happened. But also what I expect to happen. We're obviously a few volatile days, so there's enough to talk about, I think. So that's what we'll do. Now, before we get into OPENCAMPUS specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, such as a buy order right here at 1.19 and a TP at 1.29.5, so that was a great trade. If you want to receive trading signals like that, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto OPENCAMPUS. So first of all, I mean, just to explain the general idea, OPENCAMPUS is a Binance Launchpad project. If there's one thing almost all Binance Launchpad projects have done recently, or at least after their launch, is at some point they've rallied. If you take a look at Hook Protocol, for example, in the beginning, that rallied quite a bit, and after a while it rallied again. It took some time, but after a while it did rally, right? So after a month or so. And if we take a look at Space ID, then most of you know that already. That rallied a lot as well last month. Here you can see. So yeah, I've always said at some point I expect EDU to start rallying. So that's also why we had that buy order yesterday, for example. Now, apart from that, you can see that we found resistance though at 1.29 and 1.3, which is a very strong resistance level. And I also expected that we would get some resistance there, but from there, what is a little bit more bad news is that we also got some bearish confirmations, right? I mean, first of all, the market is not exactly doing amazing right now, so that certainly doesn't help. But apart from that, EDU also broke down, first of all, broke down below 1.25, then broke down below 1.23, and now it's trying to hold. We are at a very strong level right here at around 1.15, where I'm also considering to take a trade from. But I'm not sure yet. So we have this massive level right here, right? Around 1.15. You got the 0.618 of this move up, 200 EMA, everything you need for a great trade and a great support level, you would say. However, we are not really, and I know that's a weird thing to say, but we are not really trending. Like the main indicator I use to assess trend is the ADX, and that's right now currently below 20. So it's not looking that amazing, at least not on the 1 hour time frame, which is the main time frame I use for EDU. So right now the biggest thing is I think we'll drop down to that level around 1.15 and 1.14. If from there we can actually, I think from there we can get some support, but from there what we would have to do to actually stay bullish and get up to 1.35 or perhaps even break above that is break above 1.2. If we can do that from that level, then that's bullish confirmation, and I think we can get at least up to 1.34, 1.33, and then from there we'll see whether we can actually start some sort of a rally, because like I said, most cryptos that launched from Binance Launchpad did get a rally, but it could also be that right now we are still consolidating, right? That we are still consolidating between 1.05 and 1.34, and that we still have to wait a bit. That could still mean that we are getting bullish momentum from 1.15, so that's what we talked about mainly in this video. But yeah, and if we are not able to, by the way, break above that level, if we cannot break above 1.2, we'll simply break down below that, drop back down to 1.1 and 1.05, and then from there find support and move up again. That's what I expect for now. I will keep you updated on it though, but for now, thank you for watching, take care, have a great day, and bye.